Every day, knowledge workers lose hours hunting for project context because the customer request is trapped in an email, the strategy is in a Slack channel, and the code lives in Jira. This fragmentation forces a constant, high-friction switch between disconnected applications. Macro is an open-source, AI-native operating system designed to unify these fragmented workflows into a single application. Because this is an integrated enterprise system, there is no one-click installer. You must have Docker and the Nix package manager pre-configured on your machine before we begin the setup. Successfully deploying Macro locally yields a private, integrated Datagraph. This removes the cognitive tax of software tab switching by consolidating all organizational data into a single environment. To begin, clone the Macro open-source repository to your local machine and navigate into the root directory. Before attempting to build the project, you must execute the nix develop command. This is a mandatory step. Attempting to compile the project using global system packages will cause the build to crash due to dependency version mismatches. The Nix development shell automatically isolates and pins the exact versions of the Rust toolchain, Bun runtime, and cargo build tools required for the project. Entering this shell provides a strict engineering safeguard, guaranteeing absolute, reproducible build parity regardless of your underlying hardware. Ensure your Docker daemon is actively running in the background before proceeding. Execute the just run local command to trigger the automated compilation and orchestration sequence. This sequence initiates the sequential compilation of over 160 independent Rust modular crates that handle the system's core domain logic. As the build completes, Docker Compose spins up the necessary infrastructure components: Postgres, Redis, Kafka, OpenSearch, and FusionAuth. Monitor the terminal output and navigate to your local host address in a web browser once the services register as actively listening. Orchestrating this concurrent local infrastructure allows Macro to bypass cloud dependencies, providing enterprise-grade power directly on an air-gapped machine. Once you log in, you will be greeted by a highly reactive user interface powered by SolidJS. Navigation centers on the keyboard-first Omnibox. This interface combines your external emails with internal system alerts in a single view. This mockup shows the internal window manager in action. It enables you to lock up to 3 split-screen panels side by side, such as an email thread, a chat window, and a Kanban board, within a single workspace. This replaces the traditional workflow of hunting for project details across dozens of open browser tabs. The front-end architecture acts as a cognitive anchor, keeping your attention on the work itself, rather than the navigation of disparate tools. You can execute bidirectional workflows using specific keystrokes. For example, hitting C, then T, instantly converts an active chat message into a tracked task. Clicking that newly generated task teleports you back to the original chat thread, providing the exact context for the assignment. A separate global shortcut summons embedded customer relationship management records directly over technical documents. This action triggers an instantaneous aggregation of all related emails, shared files, and cross-team chats tied to that specific contact. These zero-latency links rely on conflict-free replicated data types, or CRDTs. This mathematical architecture ensures data consistency without the delay of central database queries. This system treats chats, emails, and tasks as deeply interconnected views of a singular operational truth. With the local workspace deployed, the human-centric setup is complete. In the background, Macro executes a nightly synthesis of the day's organizational state, creating a markdown-based memory tree. You can bridge external AI models to this workspace via Macro's Open Model Context Protocol server. This protocol allows an AI agent to parse documentation and verify task statuses with zero API rate limits, leveraging the full context of your organization. A local deployment of Macro provides the fundamental infrastructural substrate required for context-aware AI autonomy within an organization.